Hello, welcome back everyone. Today I have come with a very easy marigold recipe. Marigold is a very popular flower and almost always used for decorations in festivals and marriages. These flowers that look like sunshine are actually edible and packed with nutrition. They can be added in soups, teas, juices, and salads. They are known for their antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. They are very good for your skin and hair. One way to make use of its amazing properties is to make vinegar out of these flowers. So let's check out the process. As you can see here, there are different kinds of marigold. They are all edible. It is just that the taste would vary depending on which one you would take. First, pluck some fresh marigold flowers from your garden. As I have said earlier, don't use flowers that you buy from the market if you are planning to use them in your food because we do not know if they have added chemicals in it. But if it's organic, then you are good to go. After plucking them, give them a good wash. Let all the small insects and creepy crawlies run away. Then keep them under the fan and let them dry completely. After that, take a glass bottle and fill it with these flowers. Now pour filtered water in it and add just 1 full cup of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of sugar to get the whole process started. I am using a little of apple cider vinegar because I want the process to start fast. Now cover the bottle with a clean cloth and tie it up nicely. Mine looks like a little ghost here, but that is not going to affect its taste, just the look, so it doesn't matter. Now keep it tucked away in a place where there is less direct sunlight. For the next 7 days, every day give this mixture a good stir using a wooden ladle. Once you start seeing the bubbles when you mix, it means the process has started. You just have to make sure that the flowers are covered in this liquid. If flowers are exposed to the air, you will find fungus growing. So be sure that all the flowers are immersed in water. After 30 days, open the bottle. Here I am opening my little ghost ensemble bottle, and as I am doing it, I can get a sweet floral smell. Use a sieve to separate flowers. You can see that the color has changed. The taste is sour vinegarish kind. Hope you liked this recipe. Use this vinegar to wash your hair. You can dab it on your skin. You can use it as your salad dressing, etc. etc. Thanks for watching.